Hey everyone, welcome back into a tutorial. In this video I am going to show you how to add the subscription on your Shopify store. So in this I will guide you step by step process and one of the easiest way how you can add that subscription on your Shopify store. So let's get started to the video. First of all, open your Shopify application on mobile device and make sure that you are logged in that. Now here you can see the page of that your Shopify. Inside that you can see at the down different icon are there. As already I selected that home icon, so you have to select in that home icon only. Now you can see here it's one tab is there, like in which it's asking as a select a plan, so tab on that. Now wait for a moment. So inside that you can see the different plan are there, like select basic, or you have to slide it, and then you can see select advanced or select retail. What kind of you want you can select from here. So I will select as a basic, tab on that. So here you have to give your that card details and your name, first name details, everything you have to give here. After giving all those things, then you have to both options tick mark it. Then after that you can see at the down, after giving all details, down one subscribe tab is there. So in that tab on that, after tabbing all those things, because I didn't fill up that detail and all, so after giving all those things you can add the subscription on your Shopify store. So in this way you can add the subscription on your Shopify. So if you like this video, please don't forget to like, subscribe and comment below. Thanks for watching this video.